when we hit the trails, the first thing that we do, air down our tires to get that footprint spread out nice and wide and give you the traction you need to make things easy. When we got the 35s on Xena, we noticed it's gonna be here forever. Never. So we got this tire at 35. We picked up a Currie Enterprises EZ Deflator from Peden 4-wheel drive. I don't know if you guys know this, but they ship now. I love shopping online. I love shopping local. Two birds, one stone. What these do is they actually pull the needle out and it deflates. I don't know how much faster, but that's what we're here to find out. Alright, pretty straightforward. This is what's actually going to pull the pin out. This part is what we twist to attach it to the valve stem itself. And the slider here is what's going to let the air out. So we're going to start with the slider down. We're going to put this on and use the middle piece here to attach to the valve stem. Once that's tight, we're going to use this slider, push it all the way down, and counterclockwise, we're going to take that pin out. Let that out. That's it. It'll take us 27 seconds to get everything happening. That's a minute. And let's see where we are. Ho, I'm getting good at learning the squat. Just about at 15. That's minute 15 seconds with connecting it. Oh, and bang on. Perfect. That's a minute 25. So as you can see, we're saving time and our hands aren't freezing cold. Love it. Okay, we're back to 35 pounds. See how long it takes to empty. Starting the timer, go. That's a minute. Oh, my fingers are freezing. And 2 minutes just coming up on now. You can see why this is getting old, huh? That's 216. We're still above 15. In conclusion, it's about twice as fast and money well spent.